Galletti was founded by our grandfather in 1906.
In the beginning, the main activity was the production of ice molds, which at the beginning of the last century was the basis of Galletti's development in the following years.
Between the First and Second World Wars, encouraged by the industrial development which was happening in our region during that time, Galletti became a supplier in sheet metalworking. During the Second World War, the workshop was destroyed and our grandfather died. His sons, Luigi and Fiorenzo Galletti, took over the company, rolled up their sleeves and started again from scratch. They restarted the sheet metal working and began supplying Lamborghini tractors and Landini. They also started to supply sheet metal for the main automobile manufacturers of the time, like Ferrari and Fiat. There was also a brief excursion into the motorcycle field, supplying motorbike chassis for Ducati, Marini and Malaguti.
The secret that has allowed the company to prosper and evolve in these past 100 years has been the continuous flexibility towards the various opportunities that gradually occurred.
Galletti's success was to pave the way for the company to enter the market with its own brand name. The first thermoconvector was born in those years, and it was the product that enabled Galletti as a brand to enter the market. This product allowed the introduction of other hydronic terminal units that still today represents one of our main business activities. The Galletti of today is born from history. From these people, from this experience, is one of the leading companies in comfort air conditioning.
Today, Galletti produces one of the widest ranges of hydronic terminal units, chillers and heat pumps on the market.
Research and development is essential in order to have state-of-the-art technological art product.
I believe that today it is not possible to develop products without starting from research and development, without innovating, without evaluating new technical solutions, product improvements, energy efficiency, all important aspects that characterize our products.
What makes Galletti different is the capacity to count on internal research and development activities and to be flexible to our partners' requests.
The strengths of Galletti are definitely the engineering process that is closely linked to the production and R&D processes. All of our design activities have immediate feedback from the production department, from the research and development department, and from the field. In this way, we can optimize the products from conception and be assured that when they're launched on the market, they can give all the guarantees that the customer expects.
Quality is our priority, starting from the design phase. In fact, we select our suppliers carefully and key components are tested in the laboratory beforehand. We regularly carry out performance tests, anti-corrosion tests and operation tests for the components that make up our units. We are one of the few companies in this field to have a reverberation chamber to perform acoustic tests. The product is tested in working conditions. All components are tested in a functional manner, including electrical and cooling circuit safety testing. Our units are very precisely tested, so as to be compliant with the Eurovent certification program. Eurovent annually takes our products and tests them in their own laboratories.
We have been one of the few companies in this field to have invested heavily over the past few years.
Starting from the company mission, we've worked extensively on creating a vertical production process and improving employee skills and tools. We believe that the right strategy was to introduce new working practices that were not previously in the company. We've completed this process that today we can define as almost a unique integrated work center.
We worked
very hard to produce the highest quality products. We've worked to improve the already high professionalism of our employees. At the start of this process, we used to talk about brazing. Today we talk about qualified brazing processes. We used to talk about product assembly. Today we talk about integrated assembly, either in production cells or on production lines.
We are proud to say that as long as there is a Galletti in this company, the factories and production will always remain Italian. This is an essential aspect for our company. Galletti was born in this territory and has its roots firmly planted in this area of Italy. We're convinced that in our particular field, Italy can proudly boast the best products in the world in terms of quality and performance. In Italy, Galletti has a dedicated sales network that covers the whole of the country, while internationally Galletti is present in Europe, Russia, Middle East, North and South Africa, thanks to partnerships with qualified distributors. Through a network of service centres and a dedicated team of service engineers, Galletti in Italy and internationally organises maintenance, technical and after-sales support. The people that make up Galletti today are people that are highly motivated to give our clients a 360-degree service, from quality to punctual deliveries to highly technological and innovative products, striving to keep our company as a leading player in the air conditioning field. The fact of bringing in expertise led us to create other companies in the group, each with the intent to grow and develop its own life, this in turn furthering the know-how within the Galletti Group.
To be part of a group certainly represents a valuable resource that allows us to draw on different experiences. It also allows us all quicker response times and a greater degree of flexibility in our way of thinking.
The strong synergy between the companies in the group has allowed us to increase our product range, and above all, thanks to companies like HiRef, this has been possible in a very short space of time.
To be part of this team is a great opportunity and a source of pride and satisfaction.